Welcome. This video is for the test coordinate geometry for P1. So there are 6 questions in this. Let us try to solve the questions. Now, what is he saying over here? Find the equation of line AB. A and B are given. So I have to find it out the equation of line AB. So first of all, what am I going to do? I am going to find the gradient of AB. First I find gradient of AB, which is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is negative 2 upon 6, which is negative 1 upon 3. Then I find it out the equation, which is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 3 equals to negative 1 upon 3 times x minus x1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So y equals to negative 1 upon 3x minus negative 1 upon 3 plus 3. So y equals to negative 1 upon 3x plus 8 upon 3. This is going to be the answer. Then show that the area of a triangle bounded by the axis and A and B is 32 upon 3. Area. So for part 2, when y equals to 0, so I'll be getting x value as 8 upon 3. Then when y equals to 0, so I should be getting the value of x. So what does that becomes now? 0 equals to minus 1 upon 3x plus 8 upon 3. So 8 upon 3 equals to x upon 3, x equals to 8. Then so the point is going to be 8 comma 0. And now when x equals to 0, so y value is going to be 8 upon 3, 0 comma 8 upon 3. So area is going to be half times base times height, which is half times base is 8 and height is 8 upon 3, which is going to be 32 upon 3. Next, show that the equation of the perpendicular bisector. I should find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. For that, I will be finding it out the gradient of the perpendicular, which is going to be 3. Then I find the midpoint. Midpoint is going to be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 1 plus 5 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 5 by 2, comma 3 plus 1 by 2, which is going to be 2, comma 2. So the equation will be y minus 2 equals to 3 times x minus 2. So y equals to 3x minus 6 plus 2. So y equals to 3x minus 4. Next, a circle passes through AB, has its center on the line x equals to 3. Find the center of the circle and the radius and equation of the circle. So a circle is passing through AB and has its center on x equals to 3. So there is a circle which is passing through A and B, and center is on the line x equals to 3. This line is x equals to 3. So the circle is passing through and has its center x equals to 3. So the point is coming 3 comma maybe B is going to be the point. 3 comma B is going to be the point of the center. Now this is the radius. This radius should be equals to this radius, and this is minus 1 comma 3, and this point is nothing but 5 comma 1. So the radius r should be the same. So what am I going to do for that? Minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus b whole square should be equals to 5 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus b whole square. So 16 plus 9 minus 6b plus b square equals to 4 plus 1 minus 2b plus b square. Then b square and b square gets cancels. 25 minus 6b equals to 5 minus 2b. 4b equals to 20. b equals to 5. So what's going to be the point? 3 comma 5 is going to be the center. So once 3 comma 5 is the center, substitute in this one to get the radius. So 5 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, which is nothing but what, 4 plus 16, 20 is going to be the radius square. So equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equals to 20. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the point where line it intersects the x-axis. X-axis means nothing but what, y equals to 0. So 5x plus 2 times 0 equals to 20. So x equals to 4. So the point is going to be 4 comma 0. Part 2, the coordinates of point of intersection of this one and this. So 5x plus 2 times of y is 5 minus x, equals to 20. 5x plus 10 minus 2x equals to 20. 3x equals to 10, so x equals to 10 upon 3. Plug in x equals to 10 upon 3 in this equation. X equals to 10 upon 3, so I'll be getting it out. Y equals to 5 minus 10 upon 3, which is going to be 5 upon 3. So the point is 10 upon 3 comma 5 upon 3. Question number 3. Prove that the line do not intersect. So y equals to, so 3x minus 10 should be equals to x square minus 5x plus 7. So it becomes x square minus 8x plus 17 equals to 0. So a equals to 1, b equals to negative 8, c equals to 17. B square minus 4ac, I am going to find it out. 4ac. So which is nothing but what, 64 minus 68, which is negative 4 less than 0, so do not intersect. B square minus 4ac is less than 0, so it do not intersect. Question number 4. Verify that AB and DC are parallel. So gradient of AB. What am I going to find? Gradient of AB. 3 minus of minus 1 divided by 6 minus of minus 2, which is 4 upon 8. Gradient of CD. 5 minus 3 by 3 minus of minus 1, which is again 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. Both are equal, therefore they are parallel, as the gradients are equal. Prove that the trapezium is not isosceles. So I'll find BC square, which is going to be 3 square plus 2 square, which is 13. Then I'll be finding AD square, which is 1 square plus 4 square, which is 17. So BC square is not equals to AD square, so therefore it is not isosceles. Next, the diagonals of trapezium meet at M. Find the exact coordinates of M. So equation of BD. Equation will be y equals to 3. Equation of BD is going to be y equals to 3 is going to be the equation. BD, y is 3 is going to be the equation. Now I'll be finding it out. Equation of AC. Equation of AC. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Now these two I do the simultaneous. So 3 minus 5 equals to 6 by 5 times x minus 3. So minus 10 equals to 6x minus 18. So 6x equals to 8, x equals to 8 upon 6, x equals to 4 upon 3. So what's going to be the point? M is 4 upon 3, comma 3. Show that neither diagonal of the trapezium bisects each other. Then I'll find midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD, which is 5 upon 2, comma 3. Then I'll find midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC is also going to be 1 upon 2, comma 2. They are not equal, not same. So not bisect each other. Do not bisect each other, because the midpoint has to be the same. Question number 5. A line has a gradient minus 4 and passes through. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection with the x-axis. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 4x plus 8 plus 6. Y equals to negative 4x plus 14. Now x-axis means y equals to 0, 0 equals to negative 4x plus 14, x equals to 14 upon 4, which is 7 upon 2. So the point is 7 upon 2 comma 0. Y-axis x equals to 0, so y equals to 14. So 0 comma 14. Those are going to be the points. Coming to the question number 6. Find the equation of the perpendicular to AB and passes through O. So I find gradient of AB, which is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, negative 2 by 6, negative 1 by 3. So what is the perpendicular gradient is going to be? 3. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, y equals to 3x. Part 2. Find the coordinates of the perpendicular bisector meets AB. So first of all, I'll find equation of AB. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to 1 upon 3x plus 3. Now I'm going to do the simultaneous equations for this. So 3x equals to negative 1 upon 3x plus 3. So it becomes 9x equals to minus x plus 9. 10x equals to 9. X equals to 9 upon 10. So y equals to 3x. So 3 times 9 upon 10, which is nothing but 27 upon 10. So point of intersection is 9 upon 10, comma 27 upon 10. Next, coming to part 3. Show that the perpendicular bisector of AB is this one. So perpendicular distance of AB from the origin. So from the origin, this point is going to be, the midpoint is going to be 9 upon 10, comma 27 upon 10. So the perpendicular distance is going to be square root of 9 upon 10 minus 0 whole square plus 27 upon 10 minus 0 whole square, which is going to be square root of 81 upon 100 plus 27 whole square upon 100. So he is asking us to prove this one equal to 9 root 10. So which is going to be square root of 8100 divided by 100. So 810, not 8100, 810 divided by this one. So which is nothing but square root of 81 times 10 upon square root of 100, which is 9 root 10 upon 10. That's going to be the answer. Find the length of AB. Express your answer in this form. So AB is going to be square root of 6 square plus 2 square, which is square root of 40, which is 2 root 10. And finally, find the area of the triangle AOB. So AOB, so base is going to be 3 and height is going to be 6. So area is going to be half base times height. Half base times height, which is half times 3 times 6, which is going to be 9. That's going to be the answer. That completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.